So Aurora Expeditions, we're a travel company and we operate expeditions out of the Arctic and the Antarctic. We're one of our two vessels, which are purpose-built for expeditions. We've been around for 30 plus years now and really love what we do. My name is Dominic Suss and I'm the Head of Information Systems and Technology at Aurora Expeditions. We had, with our trips, we have an influx of information and we've struggled in our expansion as a business to handle that information, both the qualification and just the amount of details we require. And so we were looking for an alternative method of being able to interact with our customers, receive and engage with them, and receive information from them for their expedition. The implementation of Salesforce allowed us to put all our information into essentially one bucket. Prior to using Salesforce, our departments within the business all had their own system that they were using, and information wasn't being shared. With Salesforce now implemented, whether you're in marketing or product or in sales, you have all the information at your fingertips, and we love being able to share that detail around the business. Implementing the Salesforce experience portal has given us a huge ROI saving of 50% plus. Our customers are able to engage with us and they do that on their own terms rather than our teams having to reach out to them individually. And that's been a huge benefit for the business. The feedback for using Salesforce as a business is really, it's all around being dynamic. The team sees that Salesforce has a huge opportunity for us to be able to make changes and to sort of use the information the way we want to see it rather than use the information the way we're told to see it. And I think as a business, an individual business see that as a huge opportunity for us to use that data the way we want to. Our daily habits have been fantastic from day one. From the initial kickoff meeting all the way through to the very end, I felt that communication was very strong. The detailed information being provided to me was really spot on. And at no time did I feel lost with anything. It was all really laid out. Time management was great. And just a constant communication and touch points were really good to work with.